Our teacher, Namgyal Rinpoche, once said that it's better to be a work of art than to make a work of art. And so this has been one of the inspirations for our ongoing spiritual practice and teachings. How do we become a work of art? And one of the best places to start is with the paramis, with the 6 perfections. If we cultivate these, then our spiritual enlightenment is nearly guaranteed.
Another way of looking at it is that beautiful life is the best result for the least effort. And if you look at professional athletes, they spend years and years developing their skills so that they can have these high-level performances. They make it look effortless. So getting into the place where you can have a beautiful life with very little effort, from a spiritual point of view, is based on the paramis.
So there's 6 paramis. They are generosity, ethics, patience, concentration, and energy. Those are the first 5. And when we cultivate all of these, the result is the 6th, wisdom. And it's definitely true that part of wisdom is realizing that we're both alone as an ego, as an entity, but at the same time we're alone with the entire universe and everything in it. So we're never alone. And that brings us to a feeling of unity, which is really the best feeling in the world, or one of them.
When you put those together, you become a work of art.